Hello guys, welcome again. In this video we are going to learn about the new functions. Those are introduced in ES7 version of JavaScript. Those functions are object.values and object.entries. These two methods are introduced in ES7 version of JavaScript. Those are apply on objects. So I have already created an object. And if I want to display the value of this object, I can just pass in console and I say person, and with help of this I can display the value like this. But if I want to display value in key or value individually one by one, so I can use for loop also, and here I just use p in person like this. And in this loop I can display the value like this p, and I run it, and you see the name of the key are displaying here. So from this object all the keys, name, qualification, country, cities are coming. So if I want to display the value, then I can use like this person, and I can pass here p, and I just run it. And sorry, this is array. In form of array I have to pass this, not in form of function. So here I run it and it will display the value. You see, one by one we display value. So same kind of things we can achieve by using the function those are introduced. Like if I want to display same kind of information, so I may have the p of, you see, person. So this of operator is used here in the ES6 version of JavaScript, and I use this. So if I run it, it generates some kind of error. You see, this error is coming. So we are not able to use the same kind of concept that we use in for in. We are not able to use in for of. So this p is not fetching from this. So we can fetch with the help of the object dot values function, and we pass the object here. So this function will get all the values from this object and here make an array. From the array one by one this p will display as a value. You see, one by one we are displaying as a value. And if I want to display key and value both, then I have to change this to the entry like this. And if I try to run it, it will say the key and value type of information. But I want the individually, I want to display key separate, value separate. So I can write here that key and value like this. And here I just put the array symbol. So this key will come here, and I can display the value also. Value will come here, and I try to run this. You see, key and value is coming. So I can remove the key. I may have the value also like this, or I may have the key and I can remove the value. Whatever I want, I may have like this. So this object dot entries is getting all the key and value from this object, and it passing here in place of key, and here in place of value we have a value. And if I say object dot values, then all the values comes in array, and one by one we can display. So these are the two functions, object dot entries and object dot values. Those are introduced in ES7 version, and that is the use of those functions. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching.